Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Una sa lahat, hirap pong sundan ng mga speeches kanina. Bibigat at malalakas po yung mga boses nila. Ako po si Mus Tridasan, Director sa isang institute sa Ateneo de Davao University. Dati po akong member of the Parliament of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority. Dati din po akong commissioner. Kami po yung gumawa ng Bangsamoro Basic Law na naging Bangsamoro Organic Law na bumuo ng BARM, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Masakit po sa aming mga taga-BARM ang nangyari. Yung father, yung tao po na nagbigay sa amin ng totoong otonomiya ay nasa ibang bansa. Kinidnap siya, dinala siya sa The Hague. Ngayon, wala kang makitang BARM leader, no? Bangsamoro leader na nakaupo na nagsasabing pauwiin si Tatay Digong. Masaya po kami, nakita ko yung mga kasamaan nating mga Maranao, mga Sama, mga Tausug, mga Maguindanao, at may mga Iranon na nandito ngayon. Sila po yung tunay na mga Bangsamoro, mga kapatid nating mga MNLF at MILF. Ngayon, hindi lang sila nakapagsalita openly, but somehow, alam po natin na ang gusto nila ay Marcos resign. So, para po hindi mawala yung thoughts ng aking mensahe, babasahin ko lang po muna itong ginawa naming maliit na message from the Muslim Filipinos and the residents of the Bangsamoro. So on behalf of Muslim Filipinos and the Bangsamoro people, we stand in firm solidarity with the Save the Philippines coalition. For decades, we in Mindanao have known the bitter taste of injustice, the pain of stolen sovereignty, and the struggle for our right to self-determination against a system that has often marginalized us. We recognize the same patterns of abuse, deception, and impunity now gripping the entire nation under the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos Jr. While I was listening to Attorney Vic Rodriguez, naalala ko po ang 2022 elections. Through the different parallel groups, we carried the banner of the Unity for Marcos Jr. and Sara Duterte across every island of the nation. Like you, we believed in the cause. We were the foot soldiers of the Unity, fueled by a shared vision. But just months after their victory, we discovered a painful truth. What Attorney Vic Rodriguez shared this afternoon ay hindi po pang-politika lamang. This is the sad reality. We are made to drink the poison of the corrupt administration of Bongbong Marcos. We need to remove this poison in our system. What we discussed this afternoon until this evening can no longer be ignored by the Filipino people, can no longer be ignored by the men in uniform, the PNP and the AFP. We can no longer ignore this. Again, this is not merely a political crisis. It is a moral collapse that deepens the suffering of all Filipinos. Nakita na po natin sa bagyo, sa lindol, ano ang nangyari sa ating mga kababayan. But we in Mindanao, we have endured enough. We stood against all odds. Our struggle for justice and self-determination has taught us that silence in the face of tyranny is not an option. Therefore, our call is clear and demands immediate action. We join the unequivocal demand for the resignation of Bongbong Marcos Jr. and the constitutional succession to proceed without delay. This is the necessary first step to reset our nation's path. We must save the Philippines. We must bravely stand together, learn from our shared histories as Filipinos, as Bangsamoro. We must relentlessly pursue this basis of unity for a future where justice, freedom, and genuine autonomy for our people are not just our dream, but our reality. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Bangsamoro for Free Philippines.